Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Meta AI not working on WhatsApp. There are many methods to fix this issue. The first thing is to simply try to turn off the VPN if you are using one. So here I will go to the settings, then search for VPN and check if I'm turning any VPN on or not. So here in my case, I'm not actually opening a VPN. Now, the second thing that you can do is to go and search for WhatsApp application. You can search for it, or you can scroll down until you find apps, then click on manage apps and search for WhatsApp right here. Click on it, then go to storage and click on clear cache or clear data down below right here. Then click on clear cache, then click on OK. And if you are using an iPhone, you just have to click on offload app instead of clear cache. Now, the third method is to go and check if you have any updates on your phone. So you should search for WhatsApp, then check here if you have an update. If you have an update, just update it. And after doing all these three steps, you can simply try to restart your phone. And after restarting, you can check if you have Meta AI working on your phone or not. And if you still have the problem, you can simply go and check the WhatsApp servers by going to Google or any browser that you are having, then search for WhatsApp servers status and see if there is any issue with the WhatsApp servers. So here, as you can see, actually there are no many issues. We have less than 10 reports, so the servers are not having any problem. The last thing that you can do is to go and search for WhatsApp support and try to communicate with them and tell them exactly what is your problem and that you cannot use the Meta AI. And in some cases, Meta AI can be restricted in some regions. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye.